Hi, welcome to my channel. But yeah, today I am I don't know what I'm gonna do today. But I woke up like half an hour ago, like it then I think 10:30 or 10:40. Now it's 11:30. I have not yet brushed my teeth, nor I have washed my face, nor I have taken a bath. So I'll do it after I clean my room. Yeah, I'll sip, sip, and then I will, yeah, take a bath, and then I'll think what I'm gonna do today. Oh, I have to go to the bank. Do the banks open during Saturday? On Saturday? I don't know, but let's see. Right now, I'm going to my friend's room because she called me. She said it's an emergency, that's why I'm going now. My lunch. So right now I'm going to activity center because tomorrow we have like Garby freshers, and I'm going to go to help with decorations. Also because I was thinking not to dance, but like we don't have members to dance, so I'm going to dance. Yeah, so I'll practice today. I did the same dance like last year, so I know the steps. So it's like I just have to practice today, to know, to muscle, to memorize it. Dance practice is over. We are going back to hostel. Yeah, you also bought. Oh, yes, come vlog hai. Chicken
I
fried
bought the
rice.
chicken dry fries.
We'll go and eat dinner with this chicken dry fry. We the carpet. ओए हेलो, ये भी है, ये भी हम कार्बी कमेटी के लोग. We all are going to eat dinner together today. Yeah. Well. Borsha's room.
Oh my god, oh my god.
There, Borsha, hi there. She's watching my videos in front of me. शर्म लग रहा है मुझे. चलेगा लगे से.
बहुत दुनिया.
Really? It's 2:35. Good time.
Good morning.
Today is the day of lectures, and I have to get ready. What should I say? Get ready with me. I'm all dressed up now. Can can't see properly, but I have already shown my outfit. But yeah, this is the dress that we're going to wear during the performance. But I also thought of wearing it even after because I don't want to change. And I think I look good enough in this, right? Like it's okay to attend the program, right? I don't know. It's hot. I felt like bringing my umbrella, but then I thought it's like extra burden. Hey! Pila room like them na. My friend from hi, hello. Hello. Video people lah ito. Ikaw na yung wala. Ako. Ta. Milan, niya di mira na na. प्लेट खत्म हो गया, हम लोग खाने के लिए रुक रहे हैं। I'm in my room now. so tired. Yeah. I've not removed my makeup. But पहले खाना लेने जाऊंगी. मैं और मेरे रूममेट खाना ले जाएंगे. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.